Hi everyone, my name is Andrew with Viking Electronics, and today we are going to talk about the basics of IP paging. There are two types of IP paging, Unicast and Multicast. The best way to describe Unicast paging is to compare it to a traditional IP phone call. A Unicast page originates from a paging source, places a call to a paging endpoint. Now on to Multicast. Multicast paging makes a lot of sense when you think about it like a TV or radio broadcast where a signal is sent to a transmitter and then individual TVs or radios tune in to that broadcast via the channel or a wavelength. In multicast paging applications, your audio is sent to an IP address and then endpoint devices and speakers are tuned into that IP address to receive the broadcast audio.